Hi babes, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day in JA. I haven't talked to you guys in a long time. Oh my gosh. It's been a while. But today's exceptional. I have to pick up the camera today. I look like I don't have any clothes
on.
on.
See it, Mama?
Don't you hear me talking?
But can I see it?
Excuse me, Mama.
Excuse me, Mama. Can I see it?
Can you see what?
See, so bad.
Anyway, you guys, today's exceptional, so I have to pick up the camera. Look who we have here. Somebody's missing. Say good morning.
Good morning, and can I say why it's exceptional?
You want to say why it's exceptional?
Yes.
Wait.
You can maybe see it behind me.
So it's
but
exceptional because we cut off Papa's face.
Because it's Sarah's birthday.
It's Sarah's birthday? Wow.
Today Sarah is 4 years old. Oh my gosh.
Can I
can't
go
believe
wake her up?
we are going to wake her up.
Do you know what time Sarah is born?
2.
No,
Close.
that's you.
Ah, that's you. That's born
Yeah,
2 in the
born 2
morning.
something.
2:29:08.
Well, I don't know about 08, but 2:29 probably.
Yes, you were born at 2:29 a.m. Sarah was born at 5.
About 5.5. I think it's
5:30
5:30
something.
straight on point.
Yeah?
She was on point. Poof,
Yes.
poof.
Ploof, ploof. That's exactly how she fall out. Anyway, guys, so today's Sarah's birthday. And she's excited. She went to bed excited last night. All day yesterday, she asked me, Mama, tomorrow is birthday. And when I tell her, yes, it's tomorrow, she said, what? But why? Because she wanted her birthday from yesterday. So she's sleeping. I decorated because I also have work today, so I have to do a little something for her this morning. I didn't invite anyone. It's just going to be the 4 of us, and I'll show you guys a little visual into what I did for her, and then we're all gonna wake her up. Papa is gonna get her tea ready, and then I am gonna get her ready. So let me show you guys, and then we go wake her up. Ask Sarah what she wants for her birthday, and this was her request. She wanted a pink bike. She was specific, so we got her a pink bike. She also said she wanted pink dress and wings. I don't know where she planned on flying to, but yeah.
And she also have shoes, and the two one that's in the in a box is a surprise. We'll see it soon.
All right, so there's Sarah bike. We have our pink dress and our wings over there waiting for her to fly. Did a little deco. You guys, let me tell you a little history. This happy birthday sign, it's been here with us since Sarah's first birthday. It's been riding since Sarah's first birthday, and I use it for every one of them birthday decorations.
Wasn't there before, like, for Tyler's birthday?
For Sarah first.
Sarah first?
Mm-hmm.
I have the feeling that you are Tyler.
No. Alright, and I woke up this morning and I made pancake and eggs with her favorite raspberries and
Mama,
sausage.
where's
Yes.
the cake?
I'm going, Papa, go for the cakes. Ah, the cakes are missing. Ah. Long Stella for the reminder, both of them. And then she have that pretty shoes over there. If it wasn't glittering, then it wouldn't be Sarah. We have 2 gifts more for her over there. So yeah. And the dress that I'm gonna put on her right now also is a gift from my mom, and she have no idea
Mama,
what it looks like. Yes,
for my plate, can you take off the raspberry, because
I
I
will
don't like.
eventually.
Thank
Yes,
you.
that's why I didn't put no eggs in it. Anyway, guys, cake's coming. Let's get the cakes out. Alright, Sarah have 2 cakes because she wanted the princess cake, but she also wanted the raspberry cake. So Mama with her
I'm
enough
going
cell
to eat the
took both.
raspberry. I'm not taking the raspberry in it. What does plastic?
Give me the scissors, please. Let me put them in front of her so she can see, because that's the first thing she gonna ask for is her cake when she come out. Right, and that's cake too.
And it will be 7. I will do around 7
Mama not
birthday.
having no party. Unless Papa throw a big splash with all my friends and family. Alright, so here we go again. Breakfast tea party for the princess.
Mama?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Sarah. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Joyeux
Anniversaire, Sarah. Joyeux anniversaire. Joyeux anniversaire, Sarah. Joyeux anniversaire. Sarah, hey, how old are you?
Sarah, c'est l'anniversaire de Sarah. Et arrête, c'est l'anniversaire de Sarah.
Sarah,
Sarah, c'est l'anniversaire de Sarah.
it's your birthday.
It's my birthday.
Yes, it's your birthday. Sarah, it's your birthday.
Arrête.
How old are you today? How old are you? You're 4? Show me 4. Yeah, you're ready to go get dressed and have party? Alright, come on, let's go. You ready to see what's in here? You can open your eyes. It's what you're gonna put on right now.
Sarah.
Carry your purple rug. Come give me and wet it a little bit. Yes? Oh, you're welcome. It's from Grandma.
It's already
Say thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
Ah. Let me wipe your face. You're pretty. You guys, look at her. Go, back up. Look at my girl. Oh my gosh. I can't. I'm about to shed a tear. You like it?
Yeah.
Okay, Mama gonna take a photo. Stop, Sarah. Stop. Stop. Stand right there. Look at Mama. Smile. Look at me. Come. Honey. Stop, Sarah. Look at your daughter.
Waouh, c'est une vraie petite sirène.
Menu.
Sarah.
Ça, c'est le petit déjeuner. Et regarde. Wow. Et regarde. Wow. Et regarde. C'est les cadeaux de It's my birthday.
Yes, princess, it's your birthday. How old are you today? Show me. Wow, you're 4. Look at all that behind you.
Wow. It's quoi ça?
It's Sarah's birthday. It's Sarah's birthday. It's Sarah's birthday today. It's Sarah's birthday.
Yay! All right, come let Mama get pictures of you.
C'est Olaf? Olaf, c'est le bonhomme de neige? Wow, et Sarah, elle aime le bonhomme de
Okay,
neige?
don't blow it until Mama tell you to blow it, okay? Wait. Come, sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Sarah. Happy birthday to you. Wait. Oh my gosh. You have to sing it in French too,
For the
Sarah.
other one, we can do in French. Since, Ah!
Wait.
Non, non, non.
Okay. Joyeux anniversaire. Joyeux anniversaire. Joyeux anniversaire, princesse. Joyeux anniversaire. Again. Yay! Ready to cut it?
Yes.
All right.
Happy
You put the knife in. You're gonna cut it with Tyler? Wait. Wait. We have to count to 4, okay? Wait, Tyler, come on this side. Wait. Count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cut. Yay! Vamos! for breakfast? You? Is yummy? Yes.
After is Mama.
Yes, after it's mama.
Because the mermaid like Sarah.
Eating cake at 10 o'clock in the morning, why not? Why not? You enjoying your party? Yeah, you having fun? We'll invite friends next year, okay? When you turn 5. Okay?
Mama?
Yes?
There's another one.
Another one of what?
Like the candles.
The candles? Mama, take it out.
Mama,
And you can try your wings later, okay? Well, birthday party was a success. Princess on her bike. Reversing. You're stuck.
can you help?
Please. Vroom, 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 vroom. To take it off? Let me help you. Ah! Take it up. And just like that, the party is over and Mama is heading to work. I am running out, you guys, to go and catch the bus. I have so many days to give you guys, but today is all about Sarah's birthday. She has changed her outfit and she's here watching tablet. Hi, Princess. Look, say hello to Fizz.
Hi.
You enjoying your birthday?
Yes.
Yes. What you eating? Eggs
And
and cake. Anyway, you guys, I'm rushing out, leaving you, so have a good day. Enjoy the rest of today's vlog, if I'll get to vlog more, but I'll see you guys at some point throughout the day. So deuces, love you, gotta leave you, bye. Off to work I go.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push